Hi everyone, welcome to Building Public with Jahid. I'm a full-time vibe coder and building simple apps, link pages, and automation. But today I have my 13th day of 30 days challenge where I'm building a simple Christmas app and give it away to one of you. So let's just start and build today's app, which is an app that generates fun and festive elf names. So let's just start building it together. Nice. So here we have our prompt. Create an app that generates fun and festive elf names. So let's give it a go. So I'm using Natively. It's a vibe coding tool for mobile apps that builds you native mobile apps that you can deploy to iOS. And actually, I'm doing all this, vibe coding in public. And if one of you would like to join me as well, to build together and share it to public so others can learn, others can get inspiration, motivation to build, just like please let me know. And yeah, I do appreciate if you guys just like give me a like, subscribe, comment, so that our community will grow and we will have more builders, more entrepreneurs who are building amazing products. And yeah, today is the 13th day of my 30 days challenge, and super excited to look back and then see how many apps I have made. Of course, some of the apps are not like, okay, you're going to use it every day, but it's still, the essence of building something fun, building something that you enjoy, but also just building itself is such a good motivation. So about, is it a good app or not? But just, like moving yourself from the idea stage to doing something, build something is already a huge achievement. And for me, I just just feel super excited and super empowered that I can, build apps that I wanted or I had the dream of having them. So I think also like sometimes, it's more fun. It's very chill to actually just do things and like try out things. And now, especially with AI, especially now, with Natively, you can actually build simple mobile apps, also like, complicated mobile apps, just prompting. So you don't need to know coding at all. You just need to know you really want to build. And you just like have to go after, some simple ideas in the start and then kind of like, try to find and get the mood of building. And then you can come up and build the ideas which are harder. So I think it's all about the journey and getting yourself in the mood of building. So this is like something that I really recommend all of you to do that. And if you're building something, exciting or cool or, like anything that like you're building, everything is cool, to be honest. Just like share, in the comment. I would love to check them out and I would like to like give them a review and possibly, maybe I can start like using them if it solves my problem. So I'm happy to pay for those solutions as well. And so we have here our app. So this is the front and this is the first design that our app is. So it just like generates elf name, elf name generator. So we just tap to generator. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks like. Let's see. This is nice. You can see the code here. And I think, like what I really like about using Natively is that you can actually own the code. So you can actually move the code to GitHub and then, try to use the code yourself. So, which is super nice. So as I like it. Nice. It works. Cool. Yeah. I think, what I can do is that I can just like, try to find some designs. And for that, I try to I have some designs in my mind, so I'm just gonna find them out and then we'll upload them. So I'm just looking at my designs. I'm gonna use this one, yeah. So I'm gonna say to AI actually, please use this only for the general design and branding. Keep the structure as it is. So let's just give it a go. So I just like want to make it a bit more nicer, so that we just feel good. I don't need the backend for this. I don't need a database for this. So this is just like a fun, like we don't need to like have a sign up. So it's just like, just open the app, just and try to generate, elf name and then see what it is. So of course, you can add lots of features, you can build lots of things on the top of this, but it's like really up to you. So how you want to do it. And yeah, so I'm really bullish on Reddit, and I do share these YouTube videos, on Reddit to get, like just like to get to the people who are really interested in vibe coding and building things, and just like so I'm trying to build this community around vibe coding, and I think this would be super cool, and I think like you guys also should actually just use this opportunity to really build a community around yourself and leverage all the social accounts, there's like social media platforms that you have to actually try to be loud about what you're building. So just don't keep it for yourself. Let people know about what you're doing. So either people can help you You can people be your customer, or either like, people can just be your supporter, like give you a like, give you a comment, which actually increase the impressions, increase the algorithm, and then it just actually helps you to reach the potential user who really needs your product. So yeah, nice. I think this is done. So we just build a simple app. Nice. Make it nicer based on the image that I have given you. Let me just give it, yeah. So it did change something, but I really want a bit more design work. So let me just like change it. So I just kind of play around with this, and yep. Also, I'm gonna say a let's add date, so we know which day we are at. And yeah, so yeah, this is the prompt. I think, yeah, like for you, it's really up to you, kind of like how do you prompt and how do you want to approach building it. But for me, it's really, one prompt, simple, short, concise, and then like I will just like see how the AI is doing it, and then I'm just like, I'm gonna build on the top of that. So that's my approach. But of course, you can choose your approach and like how you like it to do that. So, but yeah, like I think you just need to experiment and then see what really works, and then you just keep doing how you like it. So we have a different design now. So I think I like this one much better. It's green. It gives me the vibe. Of course, I don't like the red type of thing here, the red box. I'm gonna change it with Visual Editor. So I'm gonna make it a bit nicer myself. So I need to, waste my prompt on this design and ask AI to do it for me. Nice. This is cooler, actually. Yeah, I like this one more. Okay. Now I like this red box as well. This is cool. Say, like, you just need to actually, just talk with AI, just like talk with natively. So, and then it does what we want. I think it's really, as I said, it's really about experimenting, trying out, and then see what works, what not. And like let yourself, to experiment, because I know some people, like sometimes you're like, oh my God, I really didn't want to, like, what's my problem? I didn't want to, kind of like try to experiment. I didn't want to try it out. But if you don't try out, you never know. If you don't, experiment different designs, you never know what design really fits your app. I think it's really all about experimenting and just like trying to allow yourself to think out of the box and build things which are, not very conventional. So just, yeah, do just and like try your best. Nice. This is cool. Yeah, I like this actually. Nice. Yep, this is amazing one. I like it. Nice. So this is our simple Christmas fun idea app that we build, and then it actually generates elf name. So yeah, this is it. And if you like to take the ownership of this app, please, let me know in the comment. And also please let me know what you're building. And if you'd like to join me in Vibe Coding in public, just please comment and then write me. I would love to have you. And also please follow, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and let's build great apps together. Let's make use of the December, like use of Christmas. And I wish you all the best. This is Saturday, so enjoy your weekend, have some fun, have some exercise, good food, good family time. Yeah, and see you all tomorrow. And bye bye for now. Cheers.